Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami angel. So what you want to do first is fold your paper diagonally both ways. And then fold the bottom two edges onto the center crease here. Then unfold your paper and then turn it over. Now fold the bottom point up, but not entirely so that it touches the tip. Now fold the bottom layer along the horizontal diagonal crease created in the beginning. Then fold the left edge of the top flap to the center line. And then fold this up to create the first wing. And then do the same on the other side. And now fold the top point down in the middle of these 2 points. And then fold the bottom up and tuck it in this pocket right here. Now turn your paper over and then you have your own origami angel. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.